Alright. Yes, this trophy is for all our, attendees, virtual attendees. So I will request Anup sir to give this trophy to Ravi sir as he is representing everyone who is joining us online. I think we all should give a round of applause to all the achievers attending this event from different countries. May I please request both of you to stay back on stage? Well, let's begin with the people who are here present today. Well, Dr. Parin Samani. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. Parin Samani? Congratulations, ma'am. Can we give a round of applause to this beautiful lady? So Ramesh sir is not present, so moving ahead with Mr. Shabir Momin. Alright, moving ahead with Mr. Ganpat Kothari. Moving on to Arundhati Banerjee. Rama Mehta. Yes, can we have trophy for Arundhati ma'am? Congratulations. Can we have a round of applause, please? Thank you, sir. The next one is Rama Mehta. Present. Congratulations, sir. Kirti Singh. Congratulations, sir. Can we have a round of applause for Kirti, sir? Congratulations. I would like to invite Dr. Santosh Sonamne. Congratulations, sir. Next one. Our next achiever is Dr. Megha Sharma. So on behalf of Megha ma'am, sir will be receiving the trophy and certificate. The next one is Dr. Nishant Mehta. So congratulations. The next one is Clyde. I think he's not present, right? Clyde, yeah. Hi, Clyde sir. Very, very warm welcome to you. Congratulations, sir. Clyde Dennis. The next one is Sarthak Ban. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations and State Parul ma'am for best and PR. Ma'am, congratulations. Can you have a round of applause for Parul ma'am? Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now you can take a seat. And with this, we have come to an end of this event. What I seem to be having personality. Thank you so much, sir. We are truly honored to have you for this event. And once again, thank you everyone who joined this event physically, virtually. I hope you'll give more and more love to this book, 50 High Flyers. And let's have a round of applause for everyone. Congratulations.
Excuse me. Just one picture. You can just shift a little more. So if you can come out, please come out. Step out. So you also can come out.
Yeah. Come a little closer now.
Yeah, better.
Okay, please smile. Lovely.
Hold on. So one.
But I'm sure there's lots more coming. तो आज का जो ये event है वो High Flyers 50 रवि जी के साथ जो association है उसके बारे में.
Well, thanks so much, and Ravi ji has really done tremendous hard work here, because to contact so many people, approach them, and get their things about their life. So all that is not easy to do it, and I know since how many months ago we met and we were just talking about it, how about doing this, and he has really done a beautiful job. And I'm glad that so many people have responded so well from all over the world, and this will go on. Next year I'm sure that he will have 100 people, not 50 next time, then 500. Because this world is full of talents, full of achievers, and my congratulations to Ravi ji.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Times have changed. आज जो event हुआ है virtually people have joined from all over the world. और चीजें easy भी हुई हैं.
मैं तो आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता देता हूँ कि ये लॉकडाउन से पहले मैं रोज़ एवरेज करीब 3,000 लोगों को गाना सुनाता था लाइव। मेरे कॉन्सर्ट्स होते हैं कहीं 1,000, कहीं 2,000, कहीं 5,000। तो महीने में 15-20 कॉन्सर्ट करता था, तो एवरेज 3,000 लोगों को रोज़ गाना सुनाता था। जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है मैं 3 लाख लोगों को रोज़ सुना रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये नेट के ज़रिए तो कहाँ कहाँ जुड़ गए हैं, दुनिया भर में जुड़ गए हैं। तो ये तो पहले से बढ़ गया है और बहुत खुशी होती है कि लोग अब बाथरूम से बाहर आके गाने लगे हैं। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो इस तरह से टैलेंट्स बहुत से बाहर आ गए, न जाने कितने अच्छे कुक बन गए, कितने कवि बन गए, कितने सिंगर्स बन गए। तो अच्छा है, सब अपने अपने टैलेंट को निखारें, बाहर लाएं, लेकिन ये ज़रूर साथ में रहना चाहिए। इस वक्त क्योंकि मैं कैमरे के सामने हूं, इसलिए पहना नहीं है, लेकिन लटका हुआ है। तो ये मास्क हमेशा लगा रहे, हाथ हम लोग धोते रहें, सैनिटाइज करते रहें, ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी है।
रवि जी, फर्स्ट एडिशन है हाई फ्लायर्स 50 का बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा, कैसे आपने कंसेप्चुलाइज किया?
एक्चुअली मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे अप्रिशिएट करने में किसी को बहुत अच्छा लगता है। व्हेन आई अप्रिशिएट समवन आई फील गुड, लाइक वन चाइल्ड वाज here to get this recognition, so I was like, I feel happy, I don't know. So this idea of the book actually कुछ समय पहले मुझे लगा कि I should appreciate few people in form of book. So we'll print a book, we'll bring them on in this book, we'll feature them and we'll release this book. So idea आज workout हो गया है and सभी लोगों ने इस idea को accept किया, appreciate किया. सबसे पहले तो अनूप जी ने मुझे मैंने सबसे पहले जो आइडिया था इन्हीं को शेयर किया। इन्होंने कहा कि बहुत अच्छा आइडिया, इनका जो हाई फ्लायर्स के लिए इनका जो कहना था, उन्होंने सबसे पहले मुझे कहा कि हाई फ्लायर्स बहुत ही अच्छा टाइटल है, सो आप ये बुक प्लीज़ ज़रूर बनाइए। तो मैंने उस पर काम किया और आज मैं सक्सेस हुआ उसके लिए, आप सब लोगों की वजह से और जितने भी लोग जुड़े हैं इस बुक में। सो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इतने सब लोग आ जाएंगे, बट आ गए। मेरी कोशिश कामयाब हो गई। थैंक यू ऑल, थैंक यू।
जग में सुंदर हैं दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। एक राधिका के संग राजे, एक जानकी संग बिराजे, चाहे सीताराम कहो या बोलो राधे श्याम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। Thank you.
Delighted to be part of the High Flyers 50. I thank the organizers, especially Mr. Ravi Kumar. And it's amazing to be witnessing such a gamut of people, talented all throughout the world, coming onto a same platform and being part of a book that has been conceptualized by the High Flyers 50 team. Really appreciate, and I'm honored and humbled at the same time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera.
Yeah.
High Flyers 50 today.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody who are here today. After getting this High Flyer award of 50 story people, I'm very thrilled that what Ravi Kumar has done. It was amazing work. It was not a joke. It took them a long time to bring all the people on a one platform together, and I think so it's very nice to inspire other who are already there, but unfortunately they have not got the opportunity. And once they get the opportunity, like a person like Ravi Kumar, who is going to identify who are the people in this world, and I'm sure with this award of High Flyer 50 will bring everybody together in the world as a one as a one. And I would say that by having this pandemic, think about it, in a world of pandemic, all people are together. Why? Because we want to do something for society. And yes, we are there for the society. My name is Dr. Praveen Somani. I'm an independent academic scholar, motivational speaker, writer, author, journalist, and I'm a philanthropist. Namaste. Thank you.
ओके, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज के इस अवार्ड के बारे में? आपको अवार्ड मिला, इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
राइट, सबसे पहले मैं शुक्रिया करता हूँ मेरे टीम का, और उसमें मेरे फाउंडेशन, प्ले एंड शाइन फाउंडेशन में फाउंडर हूँ, और मेरी को फाउंडर प्रियल केनी है, और हम दोनों राइफल शूटर्स हैं, एंड वी हैव बीन प्लेइंग फॉर द स्टेट एंड शी इज़ प्लेइंग फॉर द नेशन फॉर मोर देन 10 years now, and we have been running this foundation known as Play and Shine Foundation, and I'm really happy that our work has been displayed, and we are really happy and proud to achieve and receive this award. Thank you.
Same thing, we are a volunteer from Play and Shine Foundation, and we are blessed that we got achievement, and we are honored in this High Flyers 50. So God bless us. Thank you.